Hi viewers, welcome to Max Grammar Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we will be seeing the different synonyms of the word environment. The different synonyms of the word environment are habitat, surroundings, aura, ambience, background, encompassment, neighborhood, territory, terrain, and turf. Now, we will be seeing every synonym in detail with examples. The first synonym of the word environment is habitat. A habitat is a natural environment of an organism or a place that is natural for the life and growth of an organism. Sometimes a place where a person or thing is usually found can be also termed as habitat. A special environment for living in over an extended period is also coined as habitat. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. The Indian Ocean is a habitat of more than 100 different species. In this sentence, you can see that the Indian Ocean is an environment where 100 different species are living. The second synonym of the word environment is surrounding. The circumstances and conditions around us is known as surroundings. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. Roy was too busy that he was not aware of what was happening in his surroundings. In this sentence, you can see that Roy was not aware of what was happening in the environment around him. The third synonym of the word environment is aura. The atmosphere in our environment is described as aura. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. That house is surrounded by an aura of unmitigated gloom. This sentence means that the house had a gloomy atmosphere or environment around it. The fourth synonym of the word environment is ambience. The mood, character, quality, tone, or atmosphere of a particular environment is termed as ambience. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. Dave's wedding reception hall had a delightful ambience. This sentence means that the environment in which Dave's wedding reception took place was very delightful. The fifth synonym of the word environment is background. The complex of physical, cultural, and psychological factors that serve as the environment of an event or experience is termed as background. At times, the set of conditions against which an occurrence is perceived is also described as an environment. The social, historical, and other antecedents or causes of an event or condition is also coined as background. One's origin, education, experience, etc., in relation to one's present character, status, etc., is also known as the background. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. The reporters dug through all available files on the case to know the background of the accused. This sentence means that the reporters were searching the data about the accused, that is, the environment in which he was brought up and where he worked, where he studied, all such information. The sixth synonym of the word environment is encompassment. A place or a source of origin is an encompassment. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. The Brahmaputra River encompasses from the Kailash ranges of Himalayas. This sentence tells us that the Brahmaputra River originates from the environment in Himalaya. The seventh synonym of the word environment is neighborhood. Neighborhood is described as a nearby area or a region around. A locality, often with reference to its character or inhabitants, is also considered to be as neighborhood. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. The children in my neighborhood are very naughty. In this sentence, I'm commenting about the children who are living in the same environment where I am living. The eighth synonym of the word environment is territory. Any tract of land or a region is called as a territory. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. Raju wants to be a part of Neha's territory. This sentence means that Raju wants to be around in Neha's environment. The ninth synonym of the word environment is terrain. Terrain is a tract of land, especially with reference to its natural features. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. Radio reception can be difficult in mountainous terrain. This sentence means that getting radio signals in an environment of mountains is difficult. The last synonym of the word environment is turf. Turf is defined as the slang for someone's home territory. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence where it means environment. The sentence goes like this. Though Obama is an American, his turf is Africa. This sentence means that though Obama is an American, he comes from an African background or African environment. Hope you came across some new synonyms for the word environment. If our video was informative, then like and share our video. Do subscribe our channel for future videos. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.